This fermented shrimp paste dipping sauce is perhaps the most famous of all Thai spicy sauces. Prik Kapi is more common or widely loved among Thai people. This menu is one of the requirements to pass the national Thai cooking exam. It reminds me back in 2009. It's well companion with other vegetables and fried mackerel. The oomph flavor and so delicious.
Boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, take it, love it. Come and rude boy, come and rude boy,
Hey guys, hi guys! Today I will show you how to do the spicy shrimp paste dipping sauce or Prik Kapi, naka? Alright. In front of you guys here is the ingredients. It's very simple and minimal. Kapi, of course, the main ingredient, the star of today. And this one is a shrimp paste. It's really a paste from Thailand. Smell. Let's get started. Here is the technique in Thailand we call yang, or the grill on the heat to evaporate the smell and also to cook thoroughly from the shrimp paste. I have aluminum foil here so I can use. Instead of in Thailand, back then they have a banana leaf, and as usual I leave the recipe in the description box so you guys can just check it there. Now I'm gonna grill the shrimp paste. Okay. I can smell it now. Smell like the grilled prawn. And the side dish let's go with this menu is boiled eggs. So I'm gonna boil about 7 minutes. And also omelet. I will show you how to do omelets, okay? So I use my fork to beat up. Medium high heat. Oil in. This may be a little too much. It's too much. So. Alright, I think it's about now. Kind of swirling around and see if I can flip it. Swirl and flip. Yay! It's fun. Alright, on low heat, pat dry the mackerel fish. Wow, look at that. This can be my part to substitute with the Indian mackerel. We have here is the main ingredients all prepared. Omelette, 2 boiled eggs, clove, mortar, sag. Ta-da! Alright, first I'm gonna pound the garlic and next the dry shrimp. There are many techniques that you use the marble pestle, palm of my hand to grab up and down. The way it use the momentum of its own pestle. It's like I'm working with your hand, you stroke up and down, loosely grab on the tips of the pestle, lift it up and drop it down. See the fine, like a paste itself already. So next is chili. That might be really spicy. Ooh, main ingredients. Ooh, kapi pao, grilled shrimp paste. I can cut it half, slice like that. And eggplant. I have palm sugar here. Go down, pounding. Fish sauce. So about it. Look at that. น้ำล้างครก You wash water like this. So I need more water. More น้ำล้างครก goes in. น้ำพริกกะปิ I'm gonna start with very easy to branch. First is string beans. Cut the top part off. I'm gonna run the knife through this part. A pinch of salt. Branch, drop it into the hot pot. See, like that. So I can just put it up here. The wing bean. Agra. Napa cabbage. I'm gonna fold the string bean like this, and I'm gonna make the coconut cream. Add a little bit of water in here, low heat, rice flour, and mix together. Squeeze some lime. So there. Let me taste. Oh, wow. Wow. So good. Yes, and now is the creamy stuff just like over there. Does that look good? I don't know. I like this creamy and thicky stuff on top of the vegetable. How about that? I have the vegetable tray. Spicy shrimp paste, dipping sauce, kapi. Time to on the rice, dipping sauce on top. So thank you so much for watching today. If you want me to cook any menu, like spicy sausage menu, just leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you will not miss any episode of my spicy, sassy, naughty cooking. Alright?